No, please. Oh, okay. Hello, my shimmering shallots. I am doing the Burnout, and the Burnout has been out for quite a while, actually. It came out last year. Why am I doing it right now? Because I'm burnt out, that's why. Look, that joke was gonna happen eventually. Just be glad I did it right now. Enter a charged state. Okay. I'm charged now. I see what charge does. This game keeps turning me into a child. What an absurdity to want to relive the era of scene music and silly bands. Okay. I have no map. I have no concept of up or down. Oh, Pearl. What are you doing all riled up? Go to bed. Hello, Seven Red Suns. Am I in Seven Red Suns' campaign? Oh no. My nemesis. The winter season has kind of sucked balls. Hello. Would you like a centipede? Are you my friend? Are you like the funny side character that I take to go show my mom and be like, look mom, not all of them are bad. And then she like brutally murders him. It's like really sad. And then we have like an emotional moment where I'm like, no Scavenger, you can do it. This is me replicating CPR. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to pass the scav toll. This is a really heavy pearl. Jesus, this is worth like $2? Pearls are valued by scavengers. Really? You know, in my 800 hours of playing this game, I never figured that out. Hello! I am 8 years old. Here you go. Why rain? No. Why rain equals no. Don't understand. Okay, goodbye. I don't think I have the karma to pass this, actually. I think there is a shelter by it, though, if I remember correctly. Stop fidgeting with the spear. I know you probably got ADHD like me, but like, come on, man. I can't get karma flowers because of my condition. My condition being, I am small. Oh! I dream- oh. I'm going to the outskirts so I can find the pebbles. Hopefully he doesn't shoot me in the face with an M1. I have a big tail now. I have learned the technique. No, I want this. Blood for the blood god, skulls for the skull throat. Nuclear children. Rainbow! Wonder if Pebbles would like to hear about my Girl Scout, Boy Scout cookies. Cookies should not be genderized. They are a unisex treat for all to enjoy. There we go. Nice. Good aim, little one. Is there another dropwig? Jesus Christ, there's so many dropwigs. Where are earwigs commonly found anyway? Let me look that up. Earwigs live in the outdoors under mulch, leaf litter, rocks, logs, landscape timbers, compost piles, and often near house foundations. Do your research next time, video cult. Can I eat the dropwigs, actually? I do! I can eat them. Oh, they're not nearly as good as I thought they would be, though. I'm ready to go to school. Bye. No! Fuck! I wanted the fruit! No! Is there an easier way up to 5 pebbles? I don't think there is. I think this is kind of the only other option. Oh, and the scavengers are here. Great. I love them so much. Oh, fuck you, Dropwig. Oh, for fuck's sake, really? There we go. Okay. And we're good. And I'm all the way up here, I might as well keep going, I guess. Okay. What the fuck are they doing? Are they allowed to do that? Are they allowed? Are they allowed to do that? I like you're allowed to do that. What the holy hell was raining blood there for a second? Am I gonna blow up and die? I'll get you fuel eventually. Look at the sunset. Pay attention to that. Look at how pretty it is. Look how pretty the sunset is. Like, it's so nice. This is- I'm dead. Hello. Ow. Sons, why have you retired? I'm sure I made it clear that I no longer tolerate your presence. You are far too young to be alone, and I highly doubt that you are capable of making the journey expected of you. Most of my exes have nested in the city atop my structure. Another one of your kind resides there. Oh! I advise that you abandon your quest and transfer your position to Pearl to my citizen. Exclude my recommendation. There's nothing else I can do for you. Farewell, little creature, and please do not return. My mom is up there! Yay! Can't wait to find myself. This artificer is just me, apparently. Even though I see more of myself in Watcher, but I guess artificer's okay too. Holy shit, that's the coolest scavenger I've ever seen in my life. Are you an NPC? Oh, it is. Huh. Okay. Very likely that she's gonna be in the King Scav room. I don't know where else she would be. Can I get up there, please? Can I just get on the thing? I'm going to assume she's gonna be in the King Scav room. I don't know where else she would be. There's like one area Artificer really likes. Well, there's two. There's the King Scav room, and then there's the Denny's across my house. I feel like I've just been here. Okay, that's an elite. Did I headshot an elite? The child tastes blood for the first time. My eyes are itchy. Child understands the taste of blood and what must be done. What must be done. If someone is in your way, simply become a nuclear device. Ideally there was two endings because he gave me a choice. Wow, how beautiful. So many stacks upon stacks upon stacks. I'm just gonna chuck you, kid, okay? Throwing children is beneficial to the plot. Is that you? Are you here? Oh, cutscene. She is here. Hey! Ah, she's in the middle of doing it. Okay, I'll wait. 14 isn't bad for a baby's first massacre. Do I wake up with Ma? The fuck? What shelter is this? It's time to start my first day of school. I can't wait. Why did it put me here? There was a shelter not too far away. Why'd you put me to the one farther away? I mean, alright. Here. Mom isn't here, so I'll just spawn Mom in. Yep, that's definitely something she would do. Did she forget she could rocket jump?